Hello everyone, this is Dr. Petroda. Once again, we are back with a video on a string. This time, we are going to talk about a program that we can solve using a lot of string functions that we have learned. So, let us begin with a question over here as how to go about thinking, understanding to solve a particular program. So, let's say that we've got a question. So, I'll just put the question with you. So, here is a question. The question is very simple, is helping us to understand how to reverse a string. So it says write a program to input a statement from the user and print it in reverse order. Now, first we need to understand the basic logic of how we are going to reverse. So instead of taking this, I am taking a simple one, happy. If happy is a word and I want to reverse it, alright, then the output of this is supposed to be YPPAH. That's a reverse. This is what we have done here as well. The first character here is last, the next character goes previous, the next character goes previous, and so on. The last character becomes the first character. Now, when you look at this, you will realize that this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 index, 0 to 4 index, so totally there are 5 characters that we have. What we need to do is we need to read. So first thing is, of course, you are going to input a string, okay, input a statement or string. Second thing, you need to start reading from reverse. So this can be done two ways. So this is method 1. So I'm going to put method 1. Okay, so this we are going to read from reverse. So we need a reverse loop. Alright, because we need to generate index positions from 4 to 0. So you need reverse loop to do this. After the reverse loop is done, we read each character from last. What we do once we read a character, we need to join somewhere. We need to accumulate each red character, alright, into another variable. So we name this variable as W. Obviously, if I want an accumulator, I need to have, after inputting, I need to declare an empty string, say W. So in that, now we are going to accumulate it. 5, once the loop is over, then we print the reverse of string, that is in W. So how do we go about doing this? So let us pick up a program. So for method 1, okay, so here is a program. If we start following, okay, so I'm going to start following. See how we do. We input a word, okay, input a statement. So we are going to say input a statement. So input a statement, you have scanner. Obviously for scanner you will create an object of the scanner, and you are going to be also having util being open so that scanner can be fetched and input can be done. So that's my step number 1. Okay, input is done. Now it says step number 2. We are declaring also a W blank. So we came here, we declare a W blank. Okay, then we have, I'm surprised why this is getting close. We'll see in the next video. Okay, then we are reading from reverse. Reverse loop is always dot length minus 1. Now what is this? So if I go back to the program, look at this happy, then if I say this is my S, okay, as a string, then S dot length is 5 because it's a human count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if you want to read the 4th index position, then it is whatever 5 minus 1, that makes 4. That's your last index position. So as a programmer, you need to generate 4. So when you are going to do this, over here, computer has generated 4. 5 minus 1, 4. We go up to 0 because that's why first index in reverse. So this is a loop that is being created according to this program. So we have created a reverse loop. Okay, Now we are converting that program. Now we are reading each character, and then we are following also the reverse. In reverse, whatever is read is being accumulated. So W is your accumulator, which is blank. So nothing plus the first character. So assuming that we put here, let's say Mumbai. Okay, we start with happy since we have used happy. So logically, this is going to generate 5 minus 1 for character at 4. So character at 4 is going to be y. W is blank, so nothing plus y becomes y. Okay, when the loop will reverse, it is going to read the previous character, that is second last p. Now W already contains y plus p, ch is p, so y plus p is yp. The loop repeats, we reduce by one more character because of reverse loop. We read this one p, which is here now. So already yp plus p will become ypp. Sorry. Loop repeats, we go further reverse, computer will be able to read a, ypp plus a is yppa. The loop reverses, goes to the 0 number text position, which is h. H is going to be read, ypp plus h become ypph. So the entire string is reversed, we can print the reverse, and original is printed before it's being reversed. So suppose if I write like this, if I compile this, I close this program and I run this and I write happy, it gives me original and the reverse both. So this is how method 1 will work, will help you to reverse the string. Now you can also do the same thing using the forward loop. This is method 2. So I am going to say method 2. In method 2, step number 1 will remain same, input plus, alright, declare an empty string. So we said W. So input statement coming from the user. Now we will not reverse, we will say normal loop. Normal loop is forward loop. We still read the character, but read character at each index. And now what we can do is we can create a reverse accumulation. Okay, and once the loop is over, 5, if the loop is over, then print W. Now what is this reverse accumulation? Which is this accumulation otherwise? Okay, that we will see with the help of a program. So if we come here and if I want to create a normal loop means going from 0, so I am going to say I is equal to 0, okay, and I less than, I want to say less than s dot length. So if s dot length is 5 in case of happy, 5 will be applied, I less than 5 means 4, that's my last index position. Okay, I don't need this, and then I am not going to say I is equal to I minus 1 but the plus 1. So we go from 0 to the index, we read each character, but this time instead of W is equal to W plus CH, we say CH plus W. This is called reverse accumulation. So character will come before, accumulated character will come later on. So how is this going to work? This is a normal loop. So computer is going to start reading at 0 index H. H is read. H plus nothing, because first time is nothing, is going to give me H. The loop repeats, we will read the next character, which is A. Now A is first plus nothing. I am sure you guys have seen my previous videos on accumulation of data as well as accumulation of a string as well. This will help you understanding how this is working. Okay, now so CH is A now, A plus previous value of W, which is H now. So A plus W, H is AH, is going to be AH, because A is first, it will hold its position. W value is H, so A plus H becomes AH. Loop repeats. Computer will read P. Now P plus AH is going to be PAH. Loop repeats, computer will read second P. That P plus PAH is going to be double PAH. Loop repeats, comes to the zero index, which is supposed to be capital H. Capital H plus P is going to look like this, which is, sorry, my mistake, not capital H, is supposed to read Y. The next character after this is Y. So Y plus everything is going to be Y. So it's reverse the string. Now the loop is over. So when I come out, computer will use this particular string. So if I run this program and I put, it gives me reverse. So the second method is also working perfectly. Okay, now if I input a string which is given in the question, so here is question ICSE examination. So if I come here and I run this program, I run this program and I say ICSE examination, it works the same way because it still takes the last index position and goes reading. So whichever way you want, you can solve this program. Choice is yours. Choice is yours. How do you want the program to be solved? Both the methods are over here. You can have, so logically what is the difference here? So the difference here is when you have a reverse loop, you will have a forward or normal or forward accumulation. Whereas when the loop is normal, then your accumulation is reverse. So in this case you use probably W is equal to W plus CH because the loop is reverse, where here you are going to say W is equal to CH plus W because now the character is reading from front forward. I hope you guys have understood. I'll keep this program with you. Okay, this is a forward reading and a reverse accumulation. So once the data is reversed, you can always check. So this is what this program is all about. Thank you very much. Thank you. Right here, thank you. God bless.